Now there's one more scooter I do want to show you guys, and that's because of the screen. This is the Raptor. So there's one thing that I will tell you guys about the Raptor. Of course, we didn't get to ride it today, but maybe another time. But the Raptor is really good for off-roading. That's what I've heard. But we might put it to the test, but it's really good for off-roading. And I want to show you guys this big screen, just in case. Look at the size of this screen. It is insane. Look at it. I'll try to get him to power it on so I can show you guys how it displays. It displays in black and white, but man, just the screen alone, the way this thing look, and I believe this is a 60-volt scooter, comes with hydraulic brakes. These are Langfeite brake. Trying to get my camera to focus right there. The brakes feel so good. I hate squishy brake. I can't stand that stuff. When I buy a scooter, one of the most important things that I check is brakes, because that means safety. That means that the company paid attention to the safety of the scooter. And this is an 11-inch tire. I know a lot of you who are like me, you're gonna go for a little bit bigger. Someone was asking me, let's see price. This is about $2,600. Let me see here. This is the Raptor. There we go. This is the spec. Let's see. Turn this thing a little bit so I can show you guys the spec. The Raptor is right there. We have a 26 amp hour battery, 60 volts battery. Gets you about 37 miles of range. Net weight is about 100 pounds. So this thing is pretty heavy, 100 pounds. Max weight that you can put on this is 330 something pounds. And of course you can see the frame and all the stuff right there. This is it. So pretty good. I think it's a really good scooter. That might be the next thing that we might test out and get some shot of it. It does have dual springs front and back. So it's pretty good. So the only thing I want to show you guys is probably that screen. And let's see. Can you power it on? I want to show the screen.
Oh,
yeah.
Turn it on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just trying to see the screen right now. Oh, he has a key. He has a key. Actually, I was thinking he has the reader thing, but he has the key. Man, and it's like hidden. So maybe when you lock your scooter and you take the, people will be looking at, where do I? So it's like right there. This is so cool, man. Like when you look at this scooter, it looks like just about any other scooter, but then you start looking at some detailed stuff and you start seeing where the company is actually taking time to kind of work some things out. This screen is just crazy. I know some people who are just gonna get this for the screen. The aesthetic looks really, really good. Wow, this is nice. And the folding mechanism right here, this looks very, very good. I think once you lock this thing up, there's not gonna be any play whatsoever. Like, man, look at this. That's well built, ready to go. Stop buying all these off-brand scooters and they keep giving you issue. Get something that's well made so you don't have to like have any other issue. Look at the thoughts of this. The way it's put, the cable management too looks really good. Man, I don't know what else to tell you guys, but
really?
You took the screen off?
I literally took it off and threw it in the truck.
Wow. I know most people that will buy this for the screen.
Really?
There are people that complain that they will not buy a scooter because it doesn't have a display.
Wow.
Yeah, a lot
I
of
don't really
people.
care how fast I'm going or the range.
Well, you. Most
yeah,
people that to keep track of the mileage and all that
The
stuff.
reason why I think this is the best off-road scooter is because most scooters, if you break something, error code, and
Oh.
you can't use it.
Oh, I
If
see.
you break anything on this, it still works.
Oh, wow. Okay.
That is why I'm like,
I see. Okay, I get
break
it.
the sensor, this hall sensor, it still works. It
It's
doesn't
still.
care.
Oh, wow.
That scooter does not leave you stranded in the Mojave Desert, man.
Damn.
You do not want to be stuck carrying a scooter over there.
Yeah. This is awesome, man. All right. All right, well, that's it, guys.